Hello, it's Clinton Gray, and finally we get to meet, for those of you that don't know me. Today in this tutorial we're going to cover 3 Android hacks which I feel are very useful, and by the end of it I think you'll agree. Firstly, we're going to deal with screen pinning, secondly split screening, and thirdly how to find your lost or stolen phone. Now, why would you want to screen pin? It's for your own peace of mind. Let's say somebody wants to borrow your phone, they want to use an app. You can actually pin that app and they have no access to the rest of your phone, which is great. Secondly, split screening. This allows you to use 2 apps, and in this tutorial we'll use View Ranger and Google Earth. And thirdly, how to locate your lost or stolen phone without too much hassle. And we'll use Android.com, and basically it allows you to lock your phone, to delete or erase all the data, to actually ring it even if it's silent, and to actually locate it. So let's get straight into this tutorial. So the first things first is you go to settings, you go to security and privacy, and you move all the way down to the bottom and you click on more. Alright, again head down to the bottom and there it is. You select screen pinning and you activate it. Alright, it's as simple as that. So then let's get back out of there, get all the way out. Okay, let's choose an app, View Ranger. Alright, here it is. So what you want to do is the little square button, the back button, you hit that, and then you'll notice here in the right hand corner is a pin button. So select that, and basically now you cannot get out of this, so nobody can get back out of here and get into your phone. So you want to get out of this, so you press and hold the back button and it gets you back to your unpinning pattern or your pattern. The next one we're going into is split screen. Now you're probably asking, well, why? Gives you the option to run 2 apps at the same time. I've got View Ranger open. You hit the home button, which is the little square, and bring it up, and you'll notice in the middle of here next to the viewer is the 2 little icons. You click on that and it reduces that particular app down to half. You then select your next app, we'll select Google Earth, and it opens it up. You can scroll around in View Ranger, but then also similarly you can then work in the Google Earth as well. So that's the second tip. Okay, so the third tip that I'm going to run through with you today is how to track your phone without having necessary apps and stuff downloaded or being stressed over trying to figure out the way. And I'm going to give it to you very simply. Basically, there's a couple of things you need to do. First is you need to go to settings, go to Google services, run down here to location, and make sure you can access your location. That's the very first thing that needs to happen, so that needs to be switched on. Alright, after that you close all of that down. Alright, close it down and get out. Alright, so let's say I've lost my phone and I want to find my phone. So first you go into and you type in android.com/find. Okay, there it is there, find my device. You open it. And basically you need to be logged into your profile here. So there you go. You can see here it shows my device. It gives my location, and now it gives you the options in the left hand side here. So you can select play a sound, you can secure the device, or you can erase the device. So that's it for today. You've had an opportunity to see 3 different hacks. Firstly, how to pin your screen. Secondly, the use of a split screen. And thirdly, how to quickly locate your phone if you've misplaced it or you feel it's stolen. And I think that's it. It's fantastic. seeing you again, and hopefully, if you've enjoyed this, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers for now. Bye-bye.